Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
Oppo Find X. The Sapphire's limited box is based on a pattern of deep blue and hexagons. It is printed directly with gold Oppo and Lamborghini's famous bull logo. After pulling the box out, you will see the phone body immediately. The appearance and specifications of the phone will be discussed later. Let us continue to open the box. The three accessories in the inner box are the charging plug, the charging cable and a mysterious small box. The charging plug is marked with the image of a bull on one side and Superbook, the latest charging technique with Oppo on the other side. This technology is designed with a twin-cell 1700 mAh X2 design and can withstand up to 50 W input. Find can be used in 35 minutes at the fastest. X Sapphire Kennedy Edition is full of no electricity, very powerful. The charging cable also uses a better quality orange braided wire for a better texture. Inside this box is a dedicated Oppo free headset. The appearance of the fuselage is the same as that of the Oppo Find X, but the illustration of the back cover design and the internal software has the unique style of the Lamborghini. The back cover is designed with a carbon fiber pattern and catches the logo design of the two brands. Although the brand is placed on the top, the whole is still very pretty. The front unlocking screen is a Centennial model of the new model launched in 2016, so that when you enter the screen, it seems to hear his whistling sound. The function icons in the mobile phone are also exclusive to the limited edition, very special. This restricted model with the asking price of 99.99 yuan is currently not listed in Taiwan.